Today we're going to get one step closer to finishing this. I know I keep saying it's almost done. The hard part's done. I pulled these foam boards down from the garage and we're going to get them installed into here. So let's get that installed. I was going to use this circular saw to cut these styrofoam pieces, but it is way too messy and I don't want a bunch of styrofoam in the yard. Plus it's all over me. So I'm just going to do this the old-fashioned way. Nice long cutter. We'll just cut through it. Hopefully that'll reduce the mess. Well, I don't know if that was any better. That's pretty messy stuff, man. I know it's messy. I think the last time I used this stuff and I was cutting it, I was using my shop vac to keep the mess to a minimum, but let's just keep going. I got most of the foam boards in. I have a little bit more on the top in here to do, just these 3 bays. That stuff's done. However, I think because I have all of this extra material, there's even a bunch over there, I think I'm going to take this 1.5" stuff here and just double up on this wall here and just pad it out. Same thing on the roof. I'll just put another layer of this on top of that. It's getting dark, so I think I will continue this tomorrow or sometime this week. Turns out this is a lot of work. I ended up just cutting the pieces on the table saw here because I can control the dust a lot more. As you can see, there's no foam. I mean, there's the pieces from me cutting, but all of the styrofoam dust is getting collected, so it's not coming out over here. There's some cuts I can't do on the table, so I'm doing a few of them over here, but just keeping that foam dust to a minimum. Okay, I'm gonna clean up. I'll come back tomorrow.